In this lesson, we will learn more about strings in JavaScript. So let's create a script. So let's say we say var str is equal to say JavaScript. And what is our objective? Our objective is to create a new string which does not have A's from the JavaScript. So it should be JVSCRIPT. So how will we do it? Let's say we say var len is equal to str dot length, and we can now say var s1 is equal to empty string. So this is s1, this is the string where we will create the new string. So let's put a for loop. For var I is equal to 0, I less than len, I plus plus. In the loop, what will we do? We'll say var ch is equal to str dot char at I. So let us take each character at a time, and now we will compare this character. We will say if ch is not equal to a. So if ch is not equal to a, what will we do? We will just concatenate it to s1. So what are we doing here? So all the A's, they will not be concatenated, but any other character which is different from a small a, which will be concatenated. So now at the end of this loop, what will we have? We will have all in S1, we will have the string without the A's. So now if we just say console.log new string without a is S1. So let's run this code and let us see what do we get. So when we run this code, we get new string without a is JavaScript. Let's check for another value. Let's say the value is AABBCCAA. Let's save it. Let's run it again. What do we get? BBCC. So all the A's got removed from here because of this condition that we put in. Let's look at one more example. Suppose in this, let's say we create a string, say edufect. And what we want to do is replace the E's by say a hash. So the objective is that we want to replace these E's by hash. So similar to here, we will check. Let me just delete this code. So what we will do here. So we have taken out each character at a time. Now let's say if ch is equal to e. If the character is equal to e, what should we do? We will say s1 is equal to s1 plus hash. So we want to replace all the e's by hash. So if it is an e, we are saying s1 is equal to s1 plus hash. Else s1 is equal to s1 plus ch. Else keep on concatenating the existing character, and then we can say new string with e replaced by hash is, and let's save this code and run it. We get hash edufect. We can also see how this string is getting created. Let's just console.log s1 here. So within the loop, if we log it, what will we get? So hash d hash du. So we can get how the string is getting formed as we are building it. So here we have seen how do we compare characters within a string and how we can create strings either by replacing them, removing them, or any other such thing.